Here's what's happening at Church of the Shepherd this week. You've probably heard of church shopping, but small group shopping? Well, this is your chance to check it out. Attend GroupLink on August 8th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Meet, mingle, join an existing or form a new small group to study and discuss the story right alongside our worship series this fall. This is your chance for deeper conversations, a place to ask questions, and connect. Groups can be men's, women's, couples, or a mix. You choose, and it all starts by attending GroupLink. Welcome home to our Mexico mission team. We thank you for sharing the love of Christ with others. Your sacrifice has not only given a family a new home, but has strengthened the bond between us and our brothers and sisters in Christ in Rio Bravo, Mexico. You are true kingdom builders and servants for Christ in what we like to call salty service. Seek out a team member today in their blue salty service t-shirt and be sure to tell them, welcome home. Ephesians 2:19 says you are a member of God's very own family and you belong in God's house with every other Christian. In our Discover Shepherd class, led by Robin Long, we will introduce you to our church family and faith in an all-in-one session on Saturday, August 16th, or two-session class on Sundays, August 24th and 31st. Discover Shepherd class is offered as part of the path to becoming a COS member, yet classes do not need to be taken in succession, and all are welcome to attend. Make new friends, learn about your faith, and start the membership journey at COS. You can sign up online. We celebrate the gifts of Holy Communion in all of our worship services this weekend. We practice open communion, meaning everyone is welcome to participate. Gluten-free wafers and individual cups of juice are available at the communion stations. Your special offering for the COS We Care Fund that provides temporary financial assistance to those in need can be placed in the baskets at the altar rail during communion.